so excited. I could not believe my package from India arrived in just 11 days. That was the fastest delivery ever. Thanks for the fastest postal service. Let us unbox the packet. All the items were intact. Nothing is broken and ripped off. That is cool. These are locally made dried salted Indian gooseberries. Amla, we call it hikru in Manipuri. This brings sweet childhood memories of when we used to go to grandma's garden and collect gooseberries. There is no preservatives, very good source of vitamin C, good for skin and hair, and hygienically packed. Isn't that great? These are bay leaves from India. India is famous for its spices, and obviously the smell and taste better than the ones we get here in the USA. This is a special fermented fish. We call it ngari, a delicacy of Manipur. These are 2 packets of papar and 2 packets of hing called asafoetida. It has beneficial health benefits and also give flavor and aroma when we add them to our daily cooking. This is locally made towel. We call it fadi in Manipuri. These are sator seeds or stinky beans. In Asian store, we get them in frozen ones. 1 packet of sator costs $3.99 in US dollar. I have soaked them overnight and peeled the skin, and this is what it looks like. These are smoked fish from Manipur, nicely packed in the jar. I got 3 jars of smoked fish. To fasten the process, I have taken them out of the jar. It is crispy and dried. The good part is I don't have to bake them. All I have to do is heat them and it's ready to eat. Now there is online service, and ordering any hometown cuisine has been easier. It is shipped all over the world. I'm keeping all my smoked fish in an airtight Ziploc pouch. It will stay crispy and won't lose its flavor. The weight of this smoked fish is 2 kilograms, which is 4.41 pounds. And I have nicely packed it in the Ziploc pouch. Let's go in the freezer and put it like this. And for the fermented fish, I got 12 packets of them, which will last me 6 months to 1 year. And I don't have to miss my hometown cuisines anymore. That's all for today. See ya. Bye-bye. Take care.